Today we are in Los Angeles, visiting our good friend customers, Soundset Umberto and Josse. They just finished installing Rydeen's safety products on a customed utility truck, a Chevrolet F450, for the Los Angeles County Fire Department. These products are designed to enhance safety and efficiency during emergency operations. Let's check it out together. This is Rydeen's AHD digital 7-inch standalone backup monitor M7000 AHD with a sun visor and dual video input. It's not just any monitor. It's a high-resolution display that delivers crisp and clear visuals. The narrow design adds to its sleek look, leaving you impressed with its quality. Now let's step outside and look at the digital ultrasonic parking sensor PSR4000. These sensors, including the direction distance LED indicator with a built-in buzzer, are designed for precision. They're highly sensitive digital sensors that instantly activate with reverse gear selection, providing a reliable guide. They're applicable on metal or plastic bumpers, ensuring safety in any situation. CM-CKH5 is a surface-mount convertible keyhole camera with a CMOS 4 sensor and metal housing.
Those are the sensors too.
That's probably a big deal. What is it?
Oh, so what it does, I guess, there's the sensors. Whenever it's something close to the right side or left side, it will beep. So yeah. So
Okay,
let me just make sure how far the truck is.
Here, you see parking lines. The distance display shows the distance between truck parking sensors and an object you are approaching. Soundset also used an extension EX01 to extend the wire for the CMOS camera on top of the truck. CMOS 1000p, ensuring maximum visibility. It has a sun visor and metal housing, and is waterproof, protected in all weather conditions. Check www.rydeenmobile.com for more products. Follow us on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok. Please put thumbs up, too. Thank you for watching.